Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine, and today is day 3 in Get Ready With Me for Diwali 2020. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all my morning and my night skincare routine, and I'm going to be using only WOW Skin Science products. So if you're new to my channel, please take some time and subscribe my channel. Click the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you get notified of all of my future uploads. So without further ado, let's get started. WOW sent me their complete vitamin C range, and I'm going to be using only these products for my both morning and night skincare routine. So in the box we have 4 products inside, and the first product, which is very essential, is a vitamin C face wash, which has mulberry and licorice extracts with vitamin C, lemon and orange essential oils. So this is the first product in the box. It claims to help lighten and brighten skin tone, helps fade age spots, smoothen complexion, helps detoxify skin and reduce fine lines. It has no parabens, no sulfates, no silicone and no color, and it's dermatologically tested. So let's give this a try. As directed, my face is wet, and now I'm going to be taking, it's watery, like it's liquidy in consistency and transparent. It has a very strong fragrance of orange. The fragrance does not disturb your nose, and it's not very irritant. It's very good. And I could feel my face is very cool and oil free. So my face looks oil free and not very drying. That's very important. Even if you have very oily skin, your face wash shouldn't dry up your skin so that you apply more moisturizer. So it is not drying. It gives me a very instant glow as I wash my face, and it's very good and oil free. It has a very soothing, very cooling and soothing effect on my face. So now I'm going to be moving on to the vitamin C skin mist toner. So once you're done with your cleansing, you have to move with the toning step, which is very important mainly for oily skin people. So this is how the toner looks. It has a spray cap. It's a spray bottle, and it comes with a cap, which is very good, so that you don't tend to take a lot of product. But this one smells like lemon, and later you can dab it. So now moving on to the third product, which is the WOW Vitamin C Oil Free Face Serum. And the fourth product is the vitamin C face cream. So I'm going to be using this like one for the morning skincare routine and another for the night skincare routine. So I'm going to be using the face cream for my morning skincare routine and the serum for the night skincare routine. So starting off with the face cream. So now my face is dry and dewy. So I'm going to be using this product. So this one says it has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid restores sea moisture in our skin and keeps us hydrated, keeps our skin hydrated for the rest of the day. So this is also dermatologically tested. It helps in hydrating, brightening and anti-aging. I really like the packaging of this product. So once you open the product, you have to just press the lid so that the cream comes out. So I'm going to be taking the cream, just warming it up, and I'm going to be using it. It has a very light or mild fragrance of orange, and it does not stay for a longer time as well. So it nicely gets absorbed into my skin. And it's not very greasy or it's not very oily. So this is how my skin looks. It looks very good, soft and hydrated. and I don't feel any oiliness or very greasy feeling. It's very good. It's not matte, but it's completely dewy, I would say. So if you want to use makeup about this, you can definitely use, even if you have oily skin. So that's all for the morning skincare routine. I'll be meeting you on the night skincare routine, and I'm going to be using the same products, and I'm going to be replacing the face cream with the face serum. Hey guys, so I am back and I'm going to be doing my night skincare routine, and as you can see, I don't have a lot of oil secretion from the face cream, which I really like, and that's my first impressions about the first face cream. So I'm going to be moving on in washing my face and toning, and I'm going to be getting straight to the face serum in this video. Now the mist is completely dried, and I'm going to be moving on to the face serum. So this is how the face serum looks, and this one says it has vitamin C, witch hazel and hyaluronic acid. This one helps to hydrate skin and brighten complexion. So I'm going to be taking the cap from the pump dispenser, and I'm going to be taking 2 drops of the product. I'm just going to be warming it up nicely and then applying it on my skin. It has a very different smell to it. It is not of lemon or orange. I guess it is of witch hazel, maybe a fragrance related to that. Very mild stinging effect. A very mild, only on the sides of the nose I'm feeling that. And it is not sticky or oily or greasy, whatever it is not. I'm really liking that, because that is a very important thing when it comes to oily skin people or normal to oily skin people or combinational skin people. If a product is oily or greasy, then the whole thing gets damaged and we cannot use it before our makeup or when we are going out. It does not give us any effect. So I really like how it is. So it's completely dried up, and I think the serum has very well got into my skin very quickly. It's dry now, and I completely feel that my skin is soft and hydrated. So that's all for my night skincare routine. I'm going to be giving you a small first impressions of these 4 products which I got from the WOW Skin Science brand. So to talk about the brand is one of my favorite brand when it comes to a brand with no parabens, no sulfates, no silicones and no mineral oil, I guess. Yeah, no mineral oil. So I really like the packaging of all the WOW products. When it comes to the WOW anti-dandruff shampoo, I have a complete review of the shampoo on my channel. I'll be linking that on the cards so that you can go and check it. It's one of my favorite anti-dandruff shampoo, and it works wonder. It does not make your hair very dry, or you don't face a lot of hair fall when compared to the other anti-dandruff shampoos available on the market. You do face hair fall, but not a lot when compared to the others. So just give it a shot and see my review if you want to. So the brand is a very reliable brand, a very authentic brand which does not have parabens, sulfates and mineral oils, which is very much needed for today's generation, because we are exposed to sun, we are exposed to a lot of chemicals which makes our skin and our hair very much damaged, and we face anti-aging and we face a lot of hair fall at a very early age in our life. So coming back to the products which were given to me, I'm going to be starting off with the face wash. The face wash, which is a brightening vitamin C face wash, is very effective for normal to oily skin people, because it does not dry up your skin, which is very important for oily skin people. Because when you pick a face wash, many of the face washes for oily skin people dry up your skin, so you tend to put a lot of moisturizer so that you end up getting greasy or oily. So next product is the vitamin C skin mist and toner. So when this product is told as skin mist and toner. I think it serves dual purpose, and I think you can use it as a toner in your morning skincare routine or your night skincare routine, and also carry it in your handbag if you have really dry skin and if you feel that your skin has to be refreshed at regular intervals. This does the job perfectly, and I really like the spray packaging, and it's very handy. At the same time, it does not give you a strong fragrance, and it gives you a fragrance which keeps you refreshing and kind of awake. So I really liked it. So this is priced for $399 and the face wash is priced for $249 rupees. So coming to the third product, I'm just doing my hair because it looks really bad on screen. So the third product which I'm going to be giving my first impressions is obviously the face cream. So I was not having high hopes on this because I felt that this will be greasy or it will be oily on my face, but it didn't do both of those. So this one is a very good product even for oily skin people. It does keep your skin hydrated for the rest of the day and does not give you any oiliness or shine on your face, which is very, very important for normal to oily skin people. So this one comes with a very cute packaging. I don't prefer tub packagings, but this packaging is very perfect because you have to just press the lid here and you get the product out squeezed. So it's very efficient, hygienic as well. So when it comes to the fragrance, it does not have a very strong fragrance, but it does have a mild orangish fragrance, but it does not stay for a long time. It gets very easily absorbed into your skin, stays for a longer time. I applied this around 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock, I guess, when I shot the video, and I did have the effect on my face till 3 or 4 in the evening. So that's very good. You can use it as a moisturizer base before you do your makeup. So it's a perfect for normal to oily skin people, as well as very, very good for dry skin people because it has hyaluronic acid into it. So it restores your moisture and doesn't make your skin look more dull. So you can definitely try this product if you have complete dry skin. And I'm very happy that I got this product when winter is nearing because I do have dry cheeks during winter, and this product will be a very good thing during winter. I'm going to be sharing my first impressions is the Vitamin C Face Serum. So this is a very good product, and I'm going to be incorporating this for my night skincare routine completely. And this does not give you any oiliness, so you can do it in the morning as well, and you can use it as a moisturizer before your makeup. Downside which I had for this product is that it has a very, very mild stinging effect which just goes on within 30 seconds of applying, but still it is a downfall, and I didn't have any irritation on my skin or any nose irritant. So this is a very fantastic product for all skin types. So that's the fourth and the final product of this Wow Skin Science. So that's all for the Vitamin C range from Wow Skin Science, and I'm very thankful to the brand for sending me this. And this is not a sponsored video, and the opinions are completely honest. If I like a product, I'll be letting you know that, and if I don't like it, I will straight away tell that I don't like the product. So if you're watching this video for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you really find it helpful and beneficial. I'll be meeting you all in day 4 of Get Ready With Me for Diwali 2020. Bye bye and stay tuned.